Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a tray. So what we're going to do in the tray is we're going to be putting dried flowers in it. I got these flowers off Temu, where I seem to get a lot of my stuff. Like I said before in my other videos, I have yet to have a problem with anything that I've gotten from them. So if you're looking to save some money and want to try some stuff out, by all means try out Temu. Like I said, I have not had an issue with them. So I mixed 200 grams of clear off camera. I'm sure you've seen or by now know how to put part A and part B together. If you don't, it's just equal parts A and parts B. Mix for about 2 or 3 minutes. Let it sit for a little bit so it can degas. And then what we'll do is we will pour our resin. Let me just give a little scrape. And I'm breaking rule number 1. And I will fix that right now. Because I just got some on my thumb. I'm messing with resin. Put your gloves on. Make sure you wear your safety gear, glasses, hazmat mask if you're not in a well ventilated area. So what we're going to do is we're going to put clear on the bottom, and then we're going to take some of the flowers and we're going to put the flowers in. Now I'm not going to fill it all the way up because I'm going to let that cure, and then my plan is to come back with a different color for the bottom. So I pour this slow just to get down inside the crack here, just so I don't introduce any more air bubbles than there already is in the resin. This resin is really good at degassing itself. Um, I haven't had very much. I haven't had very many projects that had bubbles in them, so this stuff is really good. I mean, I get it. Like I said, I get this from Walmart. So just pour this in, get a nice coat on there. I'm not going to use it all right this second because I'm going to put my flowers in, and then I'll pour more in. But while this is sitting, I'm going to give it a couple taps just to, bring any bubbles to the surface. Um, if you want, you can take, I don't know where it went. I just had it. Well, we'll take a popsicle stick. You can take a popsicle stick and just kind of run along on the inside, and any bubbles that are down in there, you can kind of bring to the surface. Um, I mean, they rise themselves, but I like to go in there and just help them along. All right, put that there, and we'll grab our flowers here. Now, these are just dried flowers that oh, well, I guess that one's going there. These are just dried flowers that I got off Temu. And just place them any way you want. No specific pattern. Why you wear gloves. Um, so, did it again. Got the dropsies today. Put that one there. Put that one there. Put that there. And that one there. Yeah, I think that's enough. I'm not going to use them all. Alright. And then take the resin that you have left over and put a nice coat on top of them to help weigh them down. Like I said, I'm not filling this all the way because I will be putting a different color on the bottom for the base. I'm just putting more on top to help weigh them down. Alright. And what we'll do now is we'll let this dry, and then I'll come back in and I'll put a different color on the backside for the base, and we'll go from there. And if something's not exactly where you want it, you can, just move it along before it settles. The good thing about resin art is that you can fix some of your problems before it dries. So, I am in the process of working on a book, a beginner's guide. I will be posting a link to when it is available for sale. If it's something that you're interested in, please reach out to me or leave me a comment, and I will let you know when the book will be out. The book should be available within the next couple weeks. Until then, I will see you when this hardens, and we will put a top layer on, let that harden, and after that, we'll demold it. So until then, have a good day. Alright, guys. Alright, so this is all nice and cured. I put the white on yesterday, which you saw. So now time to demold. Let's see what we got. Remember, I used clear with flowers, orange flowers, but I put white with glitter inside to make it sparkle. So this is the back side, nice and solid, as you can see. And that is what the overall piece looks like. And I think adding the glitter to it really makes it shine. So I think it turned out really, really nice. So this is a beautiful tray. You can use it for whatever you want. So we're going to definitely be making more with other flowers, different colors. I'm always going to use the clear, and I always make the backs different color. So I use the white pigment with the shiny white glitter, and this is the final project. So I hope you guys like it. Please like and share this video, and leave your comments. And I will see you guys for the next one. Have a good one. Bye.